So we're here today at Gorge State Park in North Carolina. It's a beautiful spot. This is the welcome center here. And they've got picnic tables and rockers. So you can sit and look at this gorgeous view out in front of you. And as you can see, they still have snow on the ground here. Now we had a little bit of snow down in South Carolina, but it was a dusting and we're around midway of the state, so we didn't get much at all. It was gone the next day. There's a little observation platform down there, a fire pit. But we're going to go on this little short, about a 1.5 mile hike. It's a little loop. I think it's 1.2. And see what we can see, and then we're going to head on down and see if we can find a waterfall or two. But Smoky Mountain Dreamer is a little bit further ahead of me. She got a head start. I was up here doing a little videoing for you guys so you can see what we're doing today and checking out the snow. This is one of newer of the state parks up here. It's real close to Lake Jocassee. Another place, it's Devil's Fork State Park. It's in South Carolina, right across. And it's one of the most beautiful lakes. The water is so crystal clear. Definitely something you want to check out if you're up this way. As you can see, there's quite a bit of snow left. And this is the trail that we're going to walk first. It's not very long. Okay, it was 0.2 miles, so it's not even 1.2, it's only 0.2. But I'm sure we'll see a lot of beautiful scenery along the way. So let me head on down and catch up with her. Another observation area down here where we can look out, see the mountains, and I believe there's a view of a lake from down here at this point. Here's a little point of interest. The life cycle of the monarch butterfly. There she is, taking in those beautiful views of the mountains and the lake. Say hello to everyone.
Hello. You almost can't tell where the horizon stops and the land begins. It's pretty. The lake and everything behind the mountains.
It's beautiful.
This is gorgeous.
All right, well, let's go ahead and get this trail walked and see what we might see. Don't know if we'll see any wildlife up here, but we'll keep our eyes open.
Ladybug.
There's the life cycle of a ladybug.
I did not know that.
We know now. All right. Good bit of snow left. A little climbing wall for the kids. Snow gets a little deep up here. As you can see by the depth of the tracks, there's quite a bit of snow. And there's the life cycle of the all-important honeybee. All right, well, we're going to make it up through this snowbank here.
Well, I'm just going to step in your foot. Wow.
Yeah. So we're not used to hiking in the snow. We don't usually get much down in our part of the country. Is she gonna make it?
Yeah. I'll make it.
She might make it. We might have to get the Rangers to come pull her out.
No, I'll trudge through.
Almost to the end of it. It is.
Look at that. Oh my god.
Hey, she's over ankle deep in the snow right there.
Jeez. Ooh, I'm still falling.
You need to step into my footprints there. I guess I got a little bit more of a stride.
Yep.
You can do it. There you go.
Good Lord.
And I said it was a short loop. And it is a short loop. We're back up here to the front. It's just a spot where you can look out and see the mountains and go through the little different boxes with the life cycle of the different insects. But it was fun hiking through the snow. All right. We've made it back up here to pavement. We're a little more sure-footed. I'll show you the front of the Welcome Center here. It's a very beautiful place. Oh, I see how it is. She's throwing snowballs at me. Absolutely beautiful place. All right, well, we're gonna head from here on down to a trailhead and see what we can get into.